Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your PowerPoint app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on push notifications, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on notification categories. You come to next step here, come here to Miscellaneous here. Just click in this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you.